Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or add your location on Grubhub's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change or add location on your Grubhub, firstly open your Grubhub application. The home page of Grubhub will appear on the screen. Tap on Accounts option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on Saved Address and Phone at the end of the page. Click on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. On the next page, enter your address, suit, city, state, cross street as well as your phone number with zip code. Add label on your location and then tap on save. This is how you can change or add location on your Grubhub's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.